Did you know the size difference between X and Y chromosomes plays a huge role in inheritance? Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and two of them, the X and Y, determine biological sex. Females have two X chromosomes, XX, while males have one X and one Y chromosome, XY. But here's a critical detail. The X chromosome is significantly larger than the Y chromosome. The X chromosome contains over 1,000 genes, many of which are essential for normal development. In contrast, the Y chromosome is much smaller, with only about 50 to 200 functional genes. Despite its smaller size, the Y chromosome carries the crucial SRY gene, which triggers male development by initiating the formation of testes. The presence of the SRY gene on the Y chromosome is what determines the direction to male versus female development. Without this gene, the embryo follows the default female developmental pathway, even if the individual has a Y chromosome. Because the Y chromosome is inherited only through the male lineage, Y-linked conditions like infertility or certain testicular disorders are passed strictly from father to son. These conditions do not skip generations. On the X chromosome, conditions like Duchenne muscular dystrophy, hemophilia A, and color blindness are more likely to affect males due to their single X chromosome. Females with two X chromosomes can be carriers, passing on the condition to their sons, while often not showing symptoms themselves. To balance the gene dosage between males and females, one of the X chromosomes in each female cell is randomly inactivated in a process called lyonization. This reduces the potential for overexpression of X-linked genes, which is why female carriers of X-linked conditions may experience milder symptoms than males. The size and genetic content of the X and Y chromosomes directly impact inheritance patterns and the manifestation of certain genetic disorders. To learn more about genetics and inheritance, follow us on YouTube and social media channels. Thanks for watching.